Hi, this is Jake for Rockville, and I'm here to show you today the new Rockville RRF4. This is a rack mount fan cooling system, and so if you have a whole bunch of amps in your rack and they produce a lot of heat, which is what typically happens, you can mount this into a standard rack position. It's 19 inches wide, comes included with the rack mount screws, and what happens is there's a little temperature sensor in the back of the unit right over here. And as the temperature increases in your rack from the heat of the amplifiers, your mixing board, or anything else that you might have in there, the velocity of the fans will increase as well, drawing the hot air out and cooling the entire system, making your amps run safer and cooler and longer before they thermal. On the front over here, we have a LED digital temperature display that's set in Fahrenheit, and it'll show you the internal temperature of the rack, and I'll plug that in so you can see how that looks. So here we go, we plugged it in, the display's on, and it's showing 71 degrees, and that's the temperature right now in the open air. As the rack will heat up, the temperature will increase. As the rack cools down, the temperature will decrease. What's nice about this Rockville unit is that the fans are pretty quiet. There's no hurricane noise coming through like on some other cheaper, less expensive models that are out there, so it won't be distracting to you while you're listening to your music or working at your gig. Temperature displays on the front, thermal sensors on the rear. It mounts stealthily and nicely into any rack that's 19 inches wide, which is a standard rack. And it's available to you from the guys at audiosavings.com. Thanks so much. Have a great day.